Hey, a tunnel. Let's go in. I don't think we should, Linda. Come on. Where's your sense of adventure? What do you think we'll find in this tunnel? So far, just water. Maybe we should turn back. We should get out of here, now. But which way do we go? I think I see the end of the tunnel. I hope this water doesn't get any deeper. I don't want to get wet. Oh no! Oh no! Wow, that was a little too adventurous.